Good morning. This is Streetview Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today?
Today we're listening to The Vibe CT 105 FM out of Port of Spain, Trinidad Tobago. Let's see what they're spinning.
Hello, darling. Hello, good looking. Well, in the USA, I was out born.
Goes around, comes around, what goes up must come down. Now who's going to look around? Digging deep thumpers, hiding around.
Trinidad very metros, put everything in the cemetery. Trinidad very metros, I know for them boy when they shut up.
We are having a party, a party, a party. I say we.
Enjoy these songs at full length by following the YouTube links below or by listening to Streetview Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap.
And if you find yourself in Port of Spain, check out The Wiz Computers, bringing affordability to technology, and Brewski's Sports Bar and Lounge.
Thanks for listening.